Boom, viewers, subscribers. Back again with these quick updates because trust. If it's not foreign from King Mix Up, it's not credible. I keep on telling you that, but you don't know the thing said, people. Bless up on yourself on a day, but you know my style already. One bag of one and a one, and I gotta give you this daily updates on the people you see and don't see on the screen. That's why it's extremely important to watch the end so you don't miss a thing. You see, my people. Now, before we get into today's topics, I would like to go to my Credible Boss channel and check out the reviews we did earlier that you see in front of you. You see, I say. But nevertheless, people, no bag of chattings. Let's get straight into this one. Okay, people, I'm having an update on you on this Usain Bolt situation because I'm not gonna tell you no lie. It's everything that we thought already. You feel me? And I'll get to that later. But first, I want to discuss this statement put out by SSL owners. It's been almost 2 weeks, 14 days, and we haven't heard a thing from them. And now they're making a public statement basically laying the blame on Jean and Patton. You see, who remains at home? You see it, people. No one has been arrested in this situation as yet. And now they're talking about being trusted by clients. She was given a great latitude by them. It is now known that some clients provided pre-signed and undated sentences, basically saying it's Usain Bolt's them fault. Boy, oh boy. And now they're saying they're the one that brought up the fraud business to FFC after it was noted that, Gina and Patton confessed to defrauding clients. You see, I said, but she didn't mention Usain Bolt. And now they're saying Patton confessed to Bolt's team that she fleeced him and sought help from Bolt to pay back other clients. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, people. Yo, son. They're saying that she asked Usain Bolt for money for pay back other clients she thief from. Yo, what kind of drug business this? But this is where they're denying being like Bernie Madoff with a Ponzi like scheme. Because it come out the other day that the FFC or whoever's investigating these people saying that they was using basically Bolt and other people's money to take care of day-to-day business. And they're saying they're basically denying that as well. You feel me? So I'm not gonna read out all of these things, people, but basically, why this is what I've been telling you from the jump. This thing planned out from day one, from PNP to JLP. It's a long time them people are in a business, and no, with the outdated laws in Jamaica when it comes to white collar crimes, these people is gonna get a slap on the wrist. So that's why they're basically laughing. And this is why I don't know why people is happy that the FBI is involved because of transparency. Who the hell cares about transparency when these people are not gonna be prosecuted? When we hear FBI say, yo, time to extradite Jean and Patton, then we can feel happy, say, yo, justice is gonna be served. But just know this. If the FBI said they're gonna extradite because this has just fallen under their jurisdiction because of, let's say, through the U.S. company stocks money was taken. At them time, Gina for worry, and them time the people are gonna end up, 6 feet under. Like how them the daughter's father and burn him up before he was extradited to America. But I'm just like giving them update what I go on from what I go on. The owners of SSL is denying everything basically and putting on Gene and Patton. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Anyway, people, let's proceed. Okay, people, dancehall princess turned international pop star Queen Shenseea has a few words for some itches out there. You feel what I'm saying? Boy, oh boy, oh boy. I'm not gonna lie to you. She's definitely feeling herself as she should. As you can see, she's rocking a new hairdo. You know what I'm saying? Because people have them signature look and all of these things and blah, 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 blah. But I'm not gonna lie to you. This broad look slash Mohawk design is definitely a good look for Shenseea. It brings out the more pretty in her face. And these are real recent pictures as well too. Cause homegirl like for the pranks. Shenseea jokester. But as you can see, this picture as the ones before, you see that she has the new tattoo. You feel what I'm saying? But nevertheless, I told you Shenseea was out here popping ish on these issues. You feel what I'm saying? And this is what she had to say. She said because she competes with no one. No one can compete with her. People putting out a comment section what you think Shenseea is talking about. Because lyrically we know most of these females ain't seeing Shen Yang on a rhythm. You see me answer? But I have a feeling I know who she's talking about. Obviously, she talk about Ebony. I think she's no longer with London on the track. I think Shenseea put him to the curb the other day, you know. But you know, Shenseea a bad girl and she throw some shots indirectly because, you know, she don't want to give a bitch any clout, you feel me? But I have a feeling she's talking to Ebony because, you know, Ebony always I go after every somebody that's London on the track. I dig out and all of this stuff, you see me I say. But nevertheless, I'm just giving an update while I go on from that. I go on like I'm putting out a comment section if you think it's another artist she's talking about or she's just talking in general. You see me I say. But we know she's not. You know what I mean? And how do you feel about her new look? Yes. But anyway, people, let's proceed to the next.
And happy birthday. I would like to see more life, more prosperity, and more love and blessing to you. You know what I'm saying? Boy, yo. That is it. That pussy, girl.
Okay, people, that's the video Popcaan is responding to. Yes, them say not even on Toni Ann's birthday you can get these individuals to show some real love. You feel what I'm saying? Yes, because, you know, people are searching for real love like Mary J. Blige. But nevertheless, people, Popcaan went live on Toni Ann's page because he's blocked from doing so on his own to tell the people them for wish, you know, first and foremost, Toni happy birthday because they're going to be blowing out the candle, you feel me? But him said on a bad mind and all of these things of their relationship. So, yes, people, we're going to take a listen and look to what he has to say, and then we'll proceed.
They're telling my followers that I'm alive. Yeah, mama.
Trying my best. What's this one? But it does say so, right? I feel like something. But you know, this is the pistachio. Like that. I'll eat my happy birthday.
Yeah, when you tell Toni an happy birthday right now for me. When did I try to go live on my page, but look what my page said. So, I mean, I can go live. So, I just have borrow Toni and phone for go live. Tell her happy birthday. them know how me go live. Let me send me to unruly.
They get too much trouble.
Happy birthday, Toni.
He says happy birthday.
I tried not to. That means that is your thing. And you're trying to stop it.
It says happy.
Me want to see then.
You know what? Every time I drink coffee, coffee made extra protein.
So today Toni and birthday. Everybody just want to know wish Toni and happy birthday. Love is life. It's happiness, you know what I'm saying?
On my birthday, I'm happy to be surrounded by so much love and support and hope and light and family. I just give God all the praise for so much to be grateful for. I'm not a big birthday person if you know me, so you have to know that
But not smoking.
This is a good one. That is it. I'm trying to finish this dessert and I can't.
Some people are trying to go live video.
I don't know what that means.
But a bass. Not a bass.
Join, how would they join?
She want me here than my boo, yeah.
Diamond
Yeah, man. Yeah, the gods them. Tell Toni and happy birthday real quick.
Happy birthday, Toni!
Yeah, nigga. Run my fucking pee before I smoke. You think it's a game? Oh, I'm sorry. We don't want to do this to Toni and. Shut up.
Oh, Usain!
Then temporary.
Hi, Saeed.
As me album drop, then temporary block me Instagram from go live. Move off, man.
So set up.
And stop fight, get to you. Get away. Mangoes. Can't stop riches here, my greatest album out. Make sure you never stream it.
Yeah.
Stop on the ramping.
No,
Hear me now?
asking for pictures in the streets.
Today Toni and birthday. Don't ask me for picture.
No,
Just stream the goddamn album. We have to slap somebody. Album so good make. Album so good make you wanna slap your mama. Judge of God. Hear me now? We have a cut you now.
Love and light to you, family, always. Yeah? Street great to see you. Seriously.
no more pictures in the streets.
No ramping recently. Did I win? Was I win?
That is it.
No more pictures for them stuff.
Nothing wrong with
Listen to the
that.
album.
What you gonna say? Did you download the album?
Anyway, people, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when we drop the latest in the dancehall news, music, reviews, and gossips. Bless.